What if I told you the money in your bank account isn't really yours? What if I told you that the numbers you trust, the savings you protect, the currency you work for, are controlled by a system you've never questioned? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Money isn't paper. Money isn't coins. Money is belief, and belief can be manipulated. In 2008, that belief cracked. Banks collapsed, markets froze, governments panicked, and behind closed doors, trillions of dollars were created out of thin air. Most people didn't notice, but someone did. And in 2009, something quietly entered the world. No CEO, no headquarters, no central authority. Just code and a message. The Times, 03 Jan 2009. Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. That was the birth of Bitcoin. And whether you believe in it or not, that moment changed money forever. But to understand crypto, we first need to understand money itself.
Before crypto, before banks, before governments, money was simple. Trade. You give me fish, I give you wheat. But barter had a problem. It required coincidence. What if I wanted wheat, but you didn't want fish? So humans invented something better, a medium of exchange: gold. Gold had properties that made it powerful: rare, durable, divisible, hard to fake. Gold wasn't valuable because of shine. It was valuable because it was scarce. Scarcity creates trust. Trust creates value. For centuries, currencies were backed by gold. Then something changed. Governments realized something dangerous. If money is tied to gold, they can't print more whenever they want. And in 1971, the United States officially removed the gold standard. Money became fiat. Fiat means it has value because we say it does. Now think about this. If money can be printed infinitely, what happens to its value? Inflation. When more money enters the system, each unit becomes weaker. You don't notice immediately, but over decades, your purchasing power slowly disappears. Here's the psychological twist. Inflation is invisible theft. You still see the same number, but its power shrinks. And this is where the story turns.